No! Okay, today I'm going to be making a YouTube channel with my friend Munkip. I'm going over to his house today. It's time, let's go! I don't get it. What's up, guys? This is Ezra from Ezra Like That. Hello, Ezra Like That. So today we're going to be talking about Ezra Like That.
Now let me guess, the weed's on there. God is dead!
You're crushed!
Oh
no. Stop it! Oh my god!
Oh, wait, we also have a car crash, but it's not really important. So, that concludes Channel 5 News. But 10 billion people died this week.
Oh my god! What is happening?